Guys, do you know what is this? This one is what we called lato. Lato. In our place in Surigao. Okay? Or it is what we call seaweeds. Seaweeds, which is rich in iodine. Rich, okay, so I cannot hold it properly using the pork. Okay, again, this is seaweed, the seaweeds from the sea, from the ocean, that cost 65 pesos. Okay, 65 pesos. See, it's yummy. The taste is salt, a little bit salty. Okay, mayaman po siya sa iodine. Iodine, which is good for those who have goiter. Okay. Ayan ang aking paborito. Lalagyan ko lang po yan ng suka. Suka, then sili, fights na. Pwede ng ulam. Ayan siya. Diba? Sariwang-sariwa ang aking lato. Hindi lato-lato, kundi lato. Lato sa Surigao. See, fresh na fresh. Kakabili ko lang po kanina yan. Shout out to you guys. Sa mga may gusto po niyan, pwede niyo pong pwede po kayong pumitas, isa lang. Eme.